The ENFJ, often called the protagonist or giver in the Myers-Briggs personality system, is known for their natural charisma, deep sense of empathy, and leadership skills. These extroverted, intuitive, feeling, and judging individuals have a unique way of organizing both their physical spaces and their busy lives. For an ENFJ, organization isn't just about tidiness. It's about creating harmony, fostering connection, and living with purpose. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Also, check out the first post and video in this series, 16 personality types and how they organize their homes. There you will find a free personality test in that post and video description to find out your personality type. Now let's look at how the ENFJ organizes their home and life. Here's a closer look at how ENFJs typically approach organizing their home and life, and a few tips for making the most of their natural strengths. Number 1, creating a home that welcomes and inspires. ENFJs are people-focused at heart, and their homes often reflect this. They strive to make their spaces feel warm, inviting, and emotionally uplifting, not just for themselves, but for everyone who steps through the door. Organization is geared toward facilitating meaningful experiences. Here are some typical ENFJ home organization traits. Comfort and flow. Furniture is arranged to encourage conversation. ENFJs often prioritize open layouts and cozy seating areas. Meaningful decor. Every piece often has a story, from photos of loved ones to art that carries sentimental value. Functional beauty. Spaces are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. An ENFJ doesn't want a beautiful kitchen that's hard to cook in, or a chic living room that is uncomfortable to sit in. Here's some organization tips for ENFJs. Use zones or experience areas in your home, like a cozy reading nook or a lively game space, to match your relational lifestyle. Label storage subtly to maintain beauty without sacrificing functionality. Number 2, ENFJs are known for living by a mission-driven schedule. ENFJs are natural planners. They thrive when their days are organized around their values and commitments. Their calendars are often packed, but intentionally so. How ENFJs organize their time. They might use color-coded calendars. Work, family, friends, and self-care often get their own unique color. To-do list with heart. Tasks aren't just boxes to check off. They're often tied to broader goals and emotional fulfillment. They are event planning pros. Whether it's a friend's birthday or a nonprofit fundraiser, ENFJs excel at orchestrating events that bring people together. Here's some more organization tips for ENFJs. Block off sacred time to rest and for personal reflection. Because you're so attuned to helping others, it's easy to overbook yourself without realizing it. Number 3, ENFJs are known for prioritizing relationships in every system. Relationships are at the core of the ENFJ's world. Organization is not just about making life easier, it's about showing care and respect for others. Relationship-centered organization looks like this. Thoughtful reminders, birthday cards sent early, check-in texts that are scheduled, thoughtful gifts chosen months ahead. Now let's look at shared spaces. ENFJs often make organizing decisions that prioritize roommates or family members' comfort, even if it means compromising their own aesthetic preferences. ENFJs are known for collaborative planning. They love to use shared calendars and collaborative tools like Trello or Asana when working on group projects. Here are some organization tips for ENFJs. Balance your generosity by setting boundaries. It's okay to say no or to organize your environment based on your needs too. ENFJs are known for keeping long-term vision in mind. Thanks to their intuitive and judging preferences, ENFJs are natural future thinkers. Their organization isn't just about today, it's about paving the way for tomorrow. Visionary organization may include goal-setting journals. ENFJs often keep planners or journals that map out 1 year, 5 year, or even 10-year visions. Home projects. Organizing the house around future family needs, career ambitions, or potential lifestyle changes. Legacy thinking. ENFJs often organize memories, traditions, and keepsakes with the idea of preserving them for future generations. Here's some organization tips for ENFJs. Celebrate small milestones as much as big ones. Building in regular wins can sustain your long-term energy and prevent burnout. For the ENFJ, organization is an act of love. Love for themselves, their people, and their purpose. Their homes are sanctuaries of connection. Their schedules are blueprints for impact. And their systems are quietly shaped by deep empathy and visionary goals. If you're an ENFJ, embrace your gift for purposeful organization. And remember to make space for your own needs along the way. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're an ENFJ, or if you live with one, let me know if this sounds familiar to you. Also, be sure to check out my website, dmiddleton.com, where you'll find lots of free organizing printables to help you get your home and life organized. Thanks for watching.